Hi there, students. Domineering, an adjective. To domineer as a verb. Domineeringly as an adverb would work, and maybe even domineeringness as a noun for the quality. Okay, so if you describe somebody as domineering, they're always trying to control other people. Yeah, so he's a very arrogant and domineering person. Yeah, so he's incredibly bossy. He's tyrannical. Yeah, so she has a very domineering husband. He controls everything she does, and he tells her exactly what to do without thinking about her feelings. A domineering mother-in-law or a domineering mother who tells the married couple exactly what they've got to do and when they've got to do it. Yeah, so this is to assert your will. Yeah, but very arrogantly, like you have the right to do it. Yeah, so a boss who's very domineering generally is not very effective. I think you need to be respected. Yeah, so if you're domineering, somebody who's overbearing, they're obsessed with controlling everyone else. Yeah, if you say somebody's domineering, you are disapproving. Yeah, because they're always trying to tell people how to behave and what they must do, but without thinking about their feelings or their opinions. So authoritarian, oppressive. Okay, so to domineer is the verb, although I think to domineer is probably less common. Yeah, I guess the dictator domineered the population and told them exactly what to do, and they were submissive, the opposite, because they were afraid. Okay, so domineering, bossy, assertive, over-assertive, pushy, yeah, oppressive, yeah, telling everybody what to do. So I don't really like domineering people. They're not very nice. Yeah. He always claims his mother is not very domineering, but you ought to meet her. So overbearing, arrogant, authoritarian, oppressive, autocratic, dictatorial, bossy, tyrannical, despotic, high-handed. Yeah, this is somebody who's always telling you what to do. They need to dominate you. To dominate. This is the same idea that they are the master and you are the slave. Yeah, and you have to do exactly what they say. Very preemptory as well. That's a good synonym. Okay, somebody who's domineering. It's really annoying, yeah, because they think they're better than you, they know better than you, and obviously they know better than you, so they tell you what to do, and that gives rise to this horrible domineering attitude. Yeah, they are imperious. You do that. Yeah, they don't let people do what they want. Yeah, that people can only do what the domineering tyrant wants them to do. Okay, so I think people that are very domineering these are toxic personalities. So, formality, domineering. I think I'm going to give it a 6, maybe a 6.5 in formality. I think informally I would just use the word bossy. Yeah, she's incredibly bossy. Domineering, use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing or something formal. And then as to origin, okay, I think this comes through Dutch, domineren, to domineer. Yeah, which itself comes from Latin, dominor, to dominate, from dominum, meaning the dominus, meaning the lord or the master. So somebody who's domineering, they're your master. Yeah, they own you and you're the slave. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Domineering. To domineer as a verb. Comes with dominate.